In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up a Toyota Corolla key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very simple process, but you will need one of these CR1620 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step to opening this thing up is just to look on the back of the device. Right in this corner here, you can see there's that little indentation in the plastic. Take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and then just twist the screwdriver. And you'll hear it kind of crack open, and then you can remove this back piece of plastic. Now we're going to use the same flathead screwdriver to remove this little disc there. What we do is we insert it in, hold it, kind of give pressure in there so that it catches on the edge, and we just pry this thing back. And I'll show you that again. It doesn't matter which direction you do it from. We just insert, apply pressure, and keep applying pressure while we pry back. Just like that. And then you can just pull this out, set that to the side. And from here you will need a special tool, a bit of a special tool. So there's a little hole in the bottom here under the battery on this side, and you need to insert something in there so you can pry the battery out. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver, and let me show you what I mean. You just go there and you pry back, and now the battery is actually free. And can be kind of tough to get this out if you don't have a tool of the right size. You might want to try using a paper clip or a bobby pin or a needle or something like that, but I really recommend using something like this. And if you don't have anything like this, this is a good product here, which is exactly what I'm using. And you just get a couple good quality precision screwdrivers in this little set. And it's also just a couple bucks on Amazon. So I will leave this linked in the description as well. And once you have the right tool, it's really just as simple as popping it into the hole and prying the battery out. Now, get rid of your old battery, and when you're putting your new battery in, make sure the positive side goes face up. And you will just set that in there and just push it down. Nothing fancy there, just clicking it down into place. And now pushing the little disc back on there and putting the back on and clicking it into place. That's all it takes. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have videos here on YouTube of how to change the battery in pretty much every device from every maker model. And you can always check those out, or you can visit us directly at our website, fobbattery.com.